start making money as a successful freelancer in 2023? Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and ready to start your own business? Do you have a talent for writing, graphic design, or programming? Then freelancing may be the perfect career for you. In this video, we'll show you how to start a successful freelance career in these fields and provide tips on how to thrive as a freelancer. Step 1. Determine your niche. The first step to starting a successful freelance career is to determine your niche. What type of work do you enjoy doing? What are you good at? Freelancing is all about finding your unique value proposition and offering that to potential clients. So, take some time to identify your strengths and interests. Step 2. Build your portfolio. Once you have identified your niche, it's time to build your portfolio. Your portfolio is a collection of your best work that showcases your skills and expertise. Potential clients will use your portfolio to determine whether or not they want to work with you. So, it's important to take the time to build a high-quality portfolio that represents your best work. Step 3. Set your rates. One of the most challenging aspects of freelancing is determining your rates. It's important to price your services competitively while still valuing your time and expertise. Research what other freelancers in your niche are charging and set your rates accordingly. Be sure to also factor in any additional costs, such as taxes, software, and equipment. Step 4. Find clients. Now that you have identified your niche, built your portfolio, and set your rates, it's time to find clients. There are many ways to find clients, including networking, social media, and freelance platforms. Build relationships with potential clients by providing value and demonstrating your expertise. Step 5. Market yourself. In addition to finding clients, it's important to market yourself as a freelancer. Create a professional website, social media profiles, and business cards to promote your services. Share your work and expertise on social media and participate in online communities related to your niche. Step 6. Provide excellent service. Finally, to succeed as a freelancer, it's important to provide excellent service to your clients. Meet deadlines, communicate effectively, and provide high-quality work. Build relationships with your clients to encourage repeat business and referrals. In conclusion, freelancing can be a rewarding and lucrative career path for those with the right skills and mindset. By following these steps, you can start a successful freelance career in writing, graphic design, or programming. Remember to identify your niche, build your portfolio, set your rates, find clients, market yourself, and provide excellent service. Good luck on your freelancing journey.